What's up, my beautiful people? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. Let me do this a little bit better. Yo! Rah, bah, 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 bah. It's been a while since I've done a reaction to PUTRI, ARIANI, or Little Princess of Indonesia. So guys, right now, we're going to react to PUTRI, ARIANI, KAMU, Lagi, live perform. So without further ado, let's see what's up. Peace. I always respect PUTRI's work. I always respect PUTRI's instrumental. Everything for her, it's freaking incredible. It's phenomenal. It's always an astounding work by PUTRI. Let's all respect her legacy. Let's all respect her community. Let's all respect her work of art. Let's respect everything for this female because she's going all out for us. And we have to respect everything that she do. Trust me, I respect her so much. She's about to take the stage. She's about to sing. She's about to make people's lives blessed. So I'm enjoying this so far. Let's continue.
Bisikan berlari cinta ke dalam hatiku.
Oh my God. The awesomeness. The sweetest, most sincere voice I heard since this one started. I've heard a lot, but compares to PUTRI, nothing can compare, bro. She's such an angel. She's my little princess. I'm from Jamaica and I do respect her.
Berjuta kata bermiliar aksara buatku merona. Manis senyummu, merdu suaramu, perhatianmu kasihku.
The singing is golden. Her performance is golden. Everything she does is golden. Her level of respect that I have for her is golden. She's the one that can change people's lives daily. Nothing can beat that. Nothing can come against that. And this is the reason why I always come by to listen to PUTRI. Because of her intelligence in the music, because of her intelligence in the performances, her song choices, the way she changed people's lives, it's golden.
Hangatkan rasa dan kamu lagi, kamu terus di hariku yang selalu setia menemani, yang mengisi hatiku dan hanya kamu.
Oh my God, I love to hear her sing so much. So much so that I'm addicted to her. The way how she puts her music together, the way how she sings, the way how she bring across the songs so her audience can listen to her. I love that. She sings really well, bro. Really well. PUTRI, I love it so much. Keep up the good work, baby girl.
Yang membuatku selalu bahagia sayang, denganmu aku.
Amazing. And the way all these females are dancing, these kids are dancing around her, I can tell that this music is really great to listen to. I can tell that her voice is really amazing to sit and meditate on. Her level of song choices that you can meditate on the music, it's beyond another level. No cap about that, bro.
Sekuntum bunga, ungkapan cinta untukmu.
She's gorgeous, bro. She's gorgeous. The fact that she's making it looking so easy, she's gorgeous. This little princess will dominate a lot of stages, a lot of stage shows, a lot of performances, she'll dominate. And she's already dominating. This is to show her legacy is yet to come in an abundance.
Karena hadirmu dalam hidupku, sempurnakan makna cintaku. Manis senyum.
Wow, the dances around her, the performances, the people, the culture, the unity is a solid 10 for me. I love it so much.
Merdu suaramu, perhatianmu, kasihku.
Her singing, bro, it's marvelous. Bro, Putri, you are so incredible that no one can take that position away from you. Trust me on that. Her dances are incredible as well, bro. The way how she moves her hand like this, I can tell. Oh God. Oh God. Her tempo, the level of her singing, her breath control, phenomenal. Absolute best. Exquisitely done, Putri.
Dan kamu lagi, kamu terus di hari.
Wow. Wow. Amazingly done. Even though the way all the music is playing, she's on point, she's riding the rhythm. She is seasoned in this music industry, and no one can replace her. No one.
Yang selalu setia menemani, yang mengisi hatiku, dan hanya kamu yang membuatku selalu bahagia sayang. Denganmu
Her music is really a joyful noise unto my ears. Her music is that incredible, bro. I'm a big man now. I'm 27 years of age. And to look up to a female who is much younger than I am, that is to show you that her music is really reaching people. And I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one who's an adult listen to Putri's voice. There are a lot of people out there admire her work. And my admiration will never die from Putri.
ku jatuh cinta, kamu lagi, kamu terus di hariku, yang selalu.
Her dressing, her clothes, the music, everything. I have to compliment her every time. The way how she carries herself utterly, that's another plus, that's another bonus for me. Trust me, guys.
Setia menemani, yang mengisi hatiku, dan hanya kamu yang membuatku selalu bahagia sayang. Denganmu aku jatuh cinta, denganmu aku jatuh.
Oh my God. Splendid. Absolutely splendid, Putri. You are my superstar. You make my day even more better than it is now. I applaud you. I applaud you. I applaud you.
Aku cinta, denganmu aku jatuh cinta. Aku jatuh cinta.
I can tell everyone is enjoying her performance. I can tell everyone is having a good time. And if you're performing and everyone is having a good time, the audience is having a good time, you are doing an excellent job. Everyone smiles, everyone dances, everyone laughs. It's a good time they're having. And Putri is good at that as well.
Denganmu aku jatuh cinta. Aku jatuh cinta.
She's magnificent in every way, shape, and form. Not because she's blind, but because of how her voice is really powerful. She delivers amazingly.
Kamu lagi membuat aku
Wow.
jatuh cinta.
Astonishing. Absolutely astonishing. Great. Great, Putri. Great. You've done a well done job again. And I'm a proud person to listen to you. Guys, look, if you guys enjoyed this reaction, leave a like, smash a subscribe button. Stay tuned for more reaction. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.